Hey there, little mama cow. What you doing? Hey, do you guys like yarrow too? I see you munching on some stuff. That is a very small cow patty, but I'm thankful I don't have to be scooping those up anymore out of our property. Hey everyone, it's Rachel Kale from Wild Backyard Soaps. We live in the Black Hills and half of our property is bordered by Forest Service. So every summer we actually have free-range cattle that hang around, and thankfully we have our fence fixed so I'm not shooing them away from our garden and orchard anymore. But I just wanted to make a quick video while we're on the topic. So someday this mama and baby are probably going to get eaten. It won't be by me because I'm vegetarian. I still eat eggs and dairy and honey, but I don't eat meat. So yeah, someone's going to eat these cows, but it ain't going to be me. However, if you don't use the fat after you've butchered it, it's going to get wasted. I feel like why not render it into tallow and use it in some soaps, right? So that's my thoughts on the matter. I know there's a lot of factors to consider, whether to use palm oil or not, if it's sustainably harvested, whether to use other animal products. It's a very personal decision. There's so many factors, but it's just something to think about. And we do have a large Native American population in the area, and I really respect that they try to use the whole animal. So let me know what your thoughts are below. I'm really curious because I know there's a lot of thoughts out there. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.